decent packaging, I guess. Kind of looks like a Mavic. See if the props flop over. So when they said that I would be able to keep this too, I kind of hope this is a decent drone, because if it is, then yeah. Either way, I'm gonna figure out something to do with it. Another box. Oh goodness. Alright. Are you keeping count? How many boxes are going here? Let me see. Oh boy. There it is. One of these zippy things. So I can do this without too much trouble. Some documentation, disclaimer, and safety guidelines. Oh, there we go. There's something safe about it. Flight environmental risks. It's got a camera on it, so. Oh. What? Am I reading that right? I mean, I know my eyes are bad, but 6,562 foot is what is listed on the height. Well, unless I'm reading that number wrong because it's so late. Okay, I might enjoy going through reading some of this stuff here. Alright, well, we'll get to that later, of course. When I get to the drone. I thought it would be bigger because, you know, every time it comes out of a box, it gets smaller. Comes in a nice case. Maybe use the case for something if the drone is no good. Oh. Well, for $400, I guess. Leave that in there. Know how to keep it in. Here's the drone. I'll take that out in a second. Here is a little thingy fell off. That comes with it. Okay. Just a gimbal guard. It should be set up in mode 2. Or, yeah, it's one of the springy ones though. Okay. And I'm going to be able to put my phone in it. Stop. Ensure remote control. Antennas opens. Oh, antennas back there. Buttons. Doesn't feel too bad. I mean, I'm used to. What is all this craziness? Looks like you can flop it out or something. Oh, I'll have to play around with that when we have not the recording. Alright, we'll put that there for now. Let's take a look at this drone. Oops, I probably shouldn't have pulled it off like that. Holy cow. Hey, there it is. No, this one doesn't look too right. Oh wow, that's crazy. There's the camera. Not too. I mean, it's pretty heavy in the hands. It feels beefy. You see, that's probably the battery release. Nope. There's the battery comes out. Typical kind of. I wonder if there's a charge on it. Oh, just barely. Okay. Maybe it would start up if I had it in there. I don't want to do that yet. just keep the battery out for now. Alright, so these things fold out. You do it manually, or does it do it out its own? I have to check that out. Because I did see, oh yeah. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. So that turns out. This probably is freed up now. Oh, no. I don't want to force anything. Oh, it's just stiff. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just kind of stiff to get out. Okay, yeah. Huh. All right. Not too shabby so far. Probably like obstacle avoidance stuff in there. It's a barometer, maybe. I would guess if those are down there. Barometer to gauge the height you're at, and then I haven't messed around with the camera really. I don't want to take the guard off yet until there is a guard on it. Alright, well, so far so good. And I'm not gonna let that sit there. I'll put that just put it right here for now. Alright. So probably have all the other stuff in here. Look at that. Oh, another battery. Nice. And more props. B blade and A blade. Just like back in the old parrot days. Alright, so what are these USB chargers and such? Is it in here? No. In here? Because it didn't come with any. It's just a. Looks like a micro. Oh, USB-C. They said. Yeah, USB-C. Over here, so I'm not breaking. Yeah, it didn't come with any cables. Pretty sure. Check right here. No. Nope. Alright, well, there's a bit of the unboxing. Let's get this thing in the air. In the next video, that'll probably be tomorrow because I got it late tonight. Not too shabby. So far, so good. I hope it flies well. I don't want to look at any of the reviews before I got it, so I wouldn't be biased. But I'm not sure. If the GPS is good, and all the firmware I guess is already loaded on it, or I have to do that, I don't know, and I calibrate it correctly, we should be able to just loiter it and let it sit. And what I'm thinking is I could use it for, just watching a drone race maybe. Getting close, getting different pictures like that, I guess. I'll find other stuff for it to do, but it has to fly well. That's the first and foremost. What are these numbers here? Oh, probably directions on how I should have done it correctly instead of how I did it. All right, well, we'll get it in the air in a bit.
So, not sure why they sent me this drone. I'm an FPV pilot that builds and programs and flies drones way different. But this showed up at my door, and I gotta say I was pretty well surprised. It flew fine, flies like a drone. The stabilization is pretty good. There's not much I can really say in the way of review kind of things. I mean, it's a drone. It's got 4 propellers on it. It's got the GPS lock. It's like any other kind of camera platform drone that you would get out there, between the name brand ones and I guess this one. I've never really heard of this company, but it's a stable platform. I do wish that the camera was a slightly bit better. The video that you're seeing is both video off of my phone, because the drone captures video in 2 places: on an SD card on board on the drone, and then it also goes into your camera's, your phone camera's videos. So it's not too bad. The video again that you're seeing, I didn't color grade or anything like that. I didn't put any grading on it. It's exactly what it is as it came off from both the SD card and my phone. Overall, I liked it. The drone won't go to waste on me. I'll put it to work in some project that I'm working on. The controller felt pretty good in my hand. The app that you had to put on your phone was not too bad to use. I mean, it was pretty straightforward. I didn't have many issues. The only issue I did have was it took a moment to pair up everything and had to do the dance to get the GPS to work. Other than that, once you did all of that, the drone flew well and performed the way it's supposed to.
What are you saying? Say it again, I dare you. One more time. Really? What is it? Oh, it is? What else do you have to say? Nothing? What? Oh.